Well, just like that. I mean, fucking a month ago, there was this one where it was like, this dude was trying to make the case that like it's selfish for people to want to make him wear a mask. If you have relatives or if you're sick, you need to stay your ass home.
Got some.
You got one?
Yeah.
Right on. You think? There. Oh, that's a nice fucking fish, dude.
Nice! Hold on, I need a picture of that.
A little bit closer. There we go. There we go. Want to wet your hand before you touch them. Bo. See how it's got that pink there in the middle?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting back in the water on too much.
Parasites and shit. Nice.
Nice work,
Sweet.
bud. That was a nice
First one,
rainbow.
buddy.
Yeah.
That wasn't a bad fish either.
I bought one of these things, man. They're fucking epic.
Go for you. No.